Hey everybody, Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. And today I want to talk to you about what this means. What this if name double equals main print hi PyCharm. I want to talk to you about what that means and why it's there and what it protects against. So let's say, I have another class I want to import. We'll call it test import. And I have this file here, test.py. And if you just put into this, print hi, this is test, and you run main, upon import of this, it'll run all those scripts. So every time those imports are done, all the scripts are going to run. Why is that an issue? Well, or what is this for? This boilerplate is to stop the invoking of the scripts in this file accidentally, right? When that happens, it is almost never intentional. It's always an act. And if you have some custom class, the guardless script, when saved to a pickle file, when unpickling it in another script, it will trigger an import, and the same problem will happen. So fundamentally, whenever the Python interpreter reads a source file, it does two things. It sets a few special variables like this one here, and then it executes all of the code found in the file. So I hope that explains to you why that exists. It's just a safeguard against accidentally running scripts in a file when they're not supposed to. If you got anything out of this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if I left anything out, if you have anything to add, please let me know. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.